Hey guys, it's Mr. B and
And me.
and Brittany here. So Brittany's been working on, we're working on the 55, as you can see. Brittany's been working on, we pulled up the rugs and the matting underneath. We're gonna get some Dynamat and put it in there. We gotta do some wiring, so we're kind of getting stuff out of the way. Plus we gotta mount this. What do we got over here, Brittany?
So we're putting in the seat. We still have to measure. We ripped out the other two front seats and they don't quite line up. So we gotta put the seat in. We gotta put all the 5-point harness on. There's still a little bit more sanding to do, and then we're gonna paint the pan before we put mats in. It's fun stuff.
So this is a Kirkley aluminum seat here. You can kind of hold that up before it so it doesn't fall down. So that's our driver's seat. It does have of course, it does have a butt pad, and the rest of the pad it'll go on there afterwards. And if we move that over, there's the Kirky. So here's a 5-point right there, and we'll get that in. And I think even my fat butt will fit that.
Yeah, I think we'll be all set.
Okay, all right. You gonna take it for a ride?
Oh yeah.
She wants to go for a ride, yeah. She wants to learn. All right, so she's gonna do some sanding and cleaning and tearing the interior apart. So let's do that now. Okay, we're back. Obviously, got to get this Kirkley seat fit. So we're gonna if we come over here, we're gonna show you. We're gonna take this bracket. I was hoping to do these so we could just bolt straight down, but that's convenience. It doesn't always work out. So we're gonna turn this one bracket around, and then we've got some heavy steel pieces that were left over from something else. And so we're gonna take this off, turn it around, and we're gonna do a little fitting. I think we're in the ballpark. Again, this is a pro street car. It is not a pro competition car. So it's gonna be as safe as we could make a street car, that's for sure. I'll take this off. Magnetic parts tray, but only a couple bolts. Right, Brittany?
Right.
Okay. What's your thoughts on this?
So I'm hoping it'll fit. We've got a bit of a weird configuration at the moment with the pan, but I think with a little finagling it'll work out.
It will. You will definitely get it put in. And you can't do that.
Don't work?
We'd have to turn them both around if we're going to turn one around. Technically, I guess you kind of could. Yeah, it will work. No, can't do that. Why can't we do that? I have the answer to that.
We have to put it on the other side.
We'd have to turn them both around. We turn one, this would go on the other side, that one will come up here, or we do it like this. I just want to see how this is going to be. All right, we're taking them both off. We'll be back in a minute when we figure this out. needed all the parts, we're looking for all the parts that we need for this, and we can't find the bolts that we need to bolt the seat in, so we're gonna have to wait on that, but we did find some of the metal stock we need, so Brittany's gonna stick that back in the car. We're gonna set the seat on top of it, see if everything's kind of levelish, if it's where we want it to be. And then come Tuesday, I guess, we'll have to go down to the store and get some hardware, because it is a holiday weekend. So let's put this back in. So that's it for today's vlog. We got the seat, we got the setup going on, we got the steel in place, and everything's looking pretty good. The fit is really great. Yeah, we happy with the fit. So it's looking really good. So we can just mark the holes. We'll get everything drilled. We gotta, like I said, we gotta go down and get some bolts. So, but it's coming together. So now we know at least how it's gonna work and how it's gonna look in there. And it actually looks pretty good. It doesn't, no seat pad on there, a little dark now, but no seat pad, but we have the seat pad and the butt pad and everything that goes on the back, so that'll be good. We got the nice G-Force Pros in there. So very safe, especially for a short track car. I mean, there are a lot of guys in muscle cars just using a seat belt and all that kind of stuff. This thing, yeah, we want to be safe. What do you think?
I think so.
Yeah, for sure. All right, so don't forget, like, subscribe, check out any of the links below, follow us on Instagram. Don't follow us on Twitter because we don't tweet. We do, but we don't. Maybe we will. I don't know. I don't have time for that. But check us out on Instagram and Facebook at Classic Drive TV. Instagram at Classic Drive TV, or subscribe to the channel here. Hit the notification bell so you get reminded that we're putting up a new video. Dirk is on his way to China. He's got one more day left. Tomorrow there's a big celebration here of the Rover Automobiles. We got a big car show happening here. But after that, he's getting ready to get on a plane and to head for Peking to Paris. We're going to see some regular updates on that, and he's going to be vlogging, so we're going to see where he is, Mongolia, and all these places. It's a trip of a lifetime, it really is, so great stuff. So he's going to be over there, we're going to be over here building drag racing, and drag racing cars, I should say, and going to the drag races and whatnot. We're going to film the whole thing at the Orange Drag Strip reunion, so you'll get to see all of that as well. So more projects coming. So right now, from Mr. B and Brittany over here, we're going to call it a day, and we'll catch up on the flip side.